Hello students, this is your chef Nikhil Kedar. Welcome to Food Production Practicals.
Spaghetti Bolognese, Italian cuisine. Student, we are going to learn spaghetti bolognese today. This is a lamb spaghetti bolognese which we are going to make today, and you can see the dish. These are the ingredients which we are going to use for the bolognese. In the ingredients we have carrots, thyme, tomato puree, onion chop, spaghetti, white wine, lamb, celery, leeks, parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. All these ingredients are important. Take a pot, put some oil. Make sure you spread the oil nicely. Put some oil to just heat up the pan nicely. Then add carrots to the pot. We use Bolognese carrots. Then add celery. Nicely stir it. And add a little bit of leeks. Nicely stir it. Then add chopped onions. Nicely stir it with all the vegetables. Add some oil. Stir the mixture nicely. Make sure it is nicely chopped, all the vegetables evenly. This is thyme. Add some thyme. This will give a nice flavor to the bolognese, lamb bolognese. Pluck it and put it in the pot. Stir it nicely. Then add lamb, nice minced lamb which we use for bolognese. It is very important for you to cook the lamb with the vegetables so that all the flavors indulge nicely. Add some oil. Nicely stir it. Keep on stirring it till the lamb is cooked nicely. Stir it nicely. Mix it nicely with the vegetables. Always use medium heat. Do not use high heat because it will also burn, so it should not burn. Keep that in mind. And reduce it and then add a nice wine to it. The wine will give nice flavor to the lamb. The lamb is getting reduced, as you can see in the pot. With the wine it will get nice flavor. Then add tomato puree. It's a very important ingredient. Once you add the tomato puree, it will reduce and also it will make the consistency of the sauce. The lamb bolognese sauce should be having a nice consistency when we are making it. You can see how it is getting reduced. Add some parsley. Nicely reduce it. Add some salt. You can also add some pepper to it as well. Reduce. Some pepper. Nicely added. Stir it nicely. Always use a duster cloth for stirring it. Nicely stir it. Reduce it. And now it's completely reduced, as you can see. Add spaghetti. Once you add spaghetti, nicely mix it with the sauce. It's very important for the spaghetti to get mixed so that all the flavors are there. Now use a tongs. Nicely mix the spaghetti. And now it's time for you to plate the spaghetti lamb bolognese on a plate. With the help of the tongs, you can just do the portioning of the plate. It's nicely plated. It looks delicious. Lamb is nicely reduced, sauce is nicely reduced, nicely coated with the spaghetti. And this is how you plate it. And then you add some parsley, chopped parsley. And to finish it, nice fine parmesan. Sprinkle the parmesan on the spaghetti. Nicely sprinkle it. And this is how it looks beautiful on the plate. Spaghetti lamb bolognese is ready to serve. Spaghetti lamb bolognese. This is the picture. Looks quite delicious.